Guys, today we talk about how can you shop gift card on your Zalando app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. You keep going down. Then you click here on gift cards. Click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on shop gift cards and come to this list. Just switch into open video, and here can you select gift cards here you want to pay or to shop here. So and here can you add it to your cart. So just click on it here, then to this cart here, and here can you select here you select price. So then here click here on go to checkout, and it's going to add video here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.